Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Instagram allows its users to add up to 5 accounts and quickly switch between them without having to log out. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page, press on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Hit Settings. Scroll down until you find the Add Account option. Click on it. Now tap Login to Existing Account button and you will need to enter the username and password of the Instagram account you would like to add. Once you log in to another account, you will be moved to its home page. If you want to switch between accounts, then go to your Instagram profile page. Press on your username at the top of the screen. From the pop-up menu, choose the account you would like to switch. As you can see, here you also have an opportunity to add another Instagram account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueSocial.com.